Good morning. As the first light of dawn gently touches the horizon, take a moment to welcome this new day with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Welcome to this new day. Feel the warmth of the morning sun as it embraces you, filling you with energy and positivity. Find a comfortable position, whether you're still in bed or starting your morning routine. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, feeling the softness of your bed or the coolness of the floor beneath your feet. Let's begin with a gentle breath of fresh morning air. Inhale deeply, feeling the crispness of the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. As you breathe in, notice the gift of this new beginning. Each breath is a reminder of the life and opportunities that lie ahead. Feel gratitude for the simple things that bring you joy. The warmth of a cup of coffee or tea in your hands, the aroma that awakens your senses, the comfort of your bed, the softness of the pillows, and the coziness of the blankets that kept you warm through the night. The peace of early morning when the world is still quiet and calm, offering a moment of tranquility before the day begins. The opportunity of a fresh start, a blank page in your journal where you can write your intentions and dreams for the day. Now bring to mind one thing you're looking forward to today. It could be a task you're excited to complete, a meeting with a friend, or simply a moment of peace. One person who brings warmth to your life. Think of their smile, their laughter, and the joy they bring to your heart. One ability you're grateful to have. Whether it's your creativity, your ability to connect with others, or a skill that you cherish. Feel appreciation filling your heart. Let this sense of gratitude expand within you, touching every part of your being. Let it energize your body and mind. Feel the vitality and enthusiasm that comes with a grateful heart. Carry this gratitude with you throughout the day. Let it be a source of strength and positivity in everything you do. Let it color your morning with joy. Notice the little things that make you smile, the moments that bring you happiness. Take one more breath of appreciation. Inhale deeply, savoring the moment, and exhale with a sense of contentment. And open your eyes to this beautiful new day. Embrace it with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit ready to shine.